Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cabbage and carrot sauce. First, let's prepare our vegetables. You'll need 1 small head of cabbage, 2 medium carrots, 1 small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Ensure all your produce is washed thoroughly. Shred the cabbage and julienne the carrots into thin strips. This preparation ensures everything cooks evenly and absorbs the flavors beautifully. Now, let's build the flavor base for our sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet or pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and sauté it gently until it turns translucent, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until it releases its wonderful aroma. Be careful not to burn the garlic. It's time to add our main ingredients. Introduce the shredded cabbage and julienned carrots to the pan with the sautéed aromatics. Pour in 1 cup of vegetable broth and add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir everything together, then cover the pan. Let it simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Almost done. Once your vegetables are tender, remove the lid. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. This adds a lovely fresh note and vibrant color. Give the sauce a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a little more salt or pepper. This versatile sauce is perfect served warm as a healthy side dish or even as a light main course. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.